Hello everyone. Today we are unboxing the Saber Plus from Angekis. It is the first direct connect USB 3 Full HD PTZ video conference camera with the desktop app control. Anyone can set the camera up and use it across major video conferencing software solutions, hosting Full HD at 60 frames per second. The Saber delivers quality video and can be connected directly to a USB 3, RS-232 or DVI ports and control the camera via on-screen camera controls. You can control up to 4 cameras via the remote and set up to 9 camera presets, enabling you to switch quickly between presenters. The 12 by optical plus 2 by digital zoom gets you up close and personal and will give you the power to see everything with smooth motion, accuracy and precision with both manual and autofocus options. The packaging consists of the camera power adapter, power cable, control cable, USB 3 cable, remote controller, the user manual, and QC certification, everything that would be of handy to use the camera. Thanks for watching.